How to comment on any post on Instagram feeds easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put your comments. It's easy. First open Instagram feeds, and now once you're here just scroll down and select any post you want from those posts, and let's say this one, and then just click here this icon, and now type whatever you want and then click post, and that's it. That's how to comment on Instagram feeds, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.